Alright, y'all. We had a horrible year for fruits and vegetables. Fruiting trees mostly. But the ones that did survive, they're very tasty now. These are the Satsuma. And as you can see, they're ready. And this isn't exactly their prime, but they're very tasty right now. The oranger ones are tasty. Even this one would be tasty. But I still have a few of them throughout the tree. Usually this tree is so loaded that the whole tree is hanging on the ground. But you can see that even they're smaller this year. They're not as big. Got several oranges on the orange tree. Now, the oranges didn't make it too great this year, but that's a wasp in there. Good thing I didn't put my hand in there. But the tree grew fabulously, you know. It really grew a lot. So, I mean, I got a few oranges in there. This is a Hamlin. That's my favorite type of orange to grow. I'm not too particular about too high on like navel oranges and stuff. And look, hey, this lemon grew this year. And look at this, watch. Where's it at? Uh-oh. What happened? I had a lemon on here. Something ate my lemon. You got to be kidding me. Something came and ate my lemon? What? I cannot believe that. I had one lemon on here, and I mean, it was a good looking lemon. I cannot believe something came and ate my lemon. What eats a lemon out here? That is just, oh, there it is. What the heck? What the heck? Oh well. I think maybe when I cut the dead branch off, maybe I did this. I probably am the culprit. Okay, and here's the kumquat tree. These don't get ready till much later in the season, but you can see there's thousands of them on there. And this year is going to be a stellar year for kumquats. These come on later, and I can tell you the flavor ain't going to be there yet. Very bitter. Still, these get ready around. That one might be a little bit better. These get some of these on this side look a little bit more done, but these get around February, March. They taste much better. Now, not too bad. Still a little tart. So, none of these other trees put out any fruit because of the freeze. That late freeze we had in March really annihilated them right when they were putting their blossoms out, just like every other tree around here. This tree, I think, has one or two on it. Let's see. There's one. There's one. I don't even know if it has two. Oh, 2, 3. There's 3. But look how small these are. These ain't gonna get no bigger. So we had a real hard time with Satsumas this year. Usually I have thousands and thousands of them, but oh, there's Dimba. There's the other one I used to see right there. You can kind of see it through there. It's right there. Well, not too much other stuff to update around here. The deer is going to be coming out soon. Guess want to do another video, so I'm going to go do that right now. So I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.